Lahat.
Grapes have a good source of vitamin C and potassium. So, always remember to eat your fruit and vegetables to stay happy and healthy. Good morning, everyone. I'm Janela Cristal Valencia de los Santos, I'm proudly representing Cabe. A fruit, a veggie full of vitamin C and I'm Carol Grandila Ignorio. I choose fruit and vegetable because they can reduce the risk of chronic disease. Hi, my name is Andrew Dolce. Kaya ako pinili itong gulay na to dahil ito ay mas-starch sa ating katawan. Hello everyone, I am actually Tony Bernizal. I take fruits and vegetables because they're healthy for the body. I'm Gracie Gonzalez. I use my hair when I'm going to cook.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shanani Kobe Almogera, and I chose this costume because it has a lot of benefits like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. I'm Yani Sandra A. Santos, and I chose this costume because it helps us prevent illness.